Modern life quietly pulls essential resources out of your body. Even when you eat well, today's food simply doesn't contain the same mineral richness it once did. Depleted soils, environmental stress, and daily demands can leave your cells running on partial fuel. Over time, that shows up as low energy, slower recovery, poor balance, skin issues, digestive discomfort, and a general sense that your body just isn't working as smoothly as it should. That's where foundational trace minerals come in. Daylight is designed to provide comprehensive trace mineral support, the kind your body relies on at the cellular level to keep systems communicating, adapting, and functioning efficiently. These minerals help your body better utilize nutrients from food, support natural energy production, and promote overall balance across multiple systems. When cells have what they need, everything downstream works better. Energy feels steadier, focus improves, digestion becomes more harmonious. Skin and tissues maintain their natural resilience, and your body becomes better equipped to handle everyday stress. What makes daylight especially unique is its versatility. Internally, it supports daily vitality and cellular balance. Externally, it can be used to soothe skin, restore natural pH after bathing, refresh the body, and neutralize environmental irritants. Many people also use it as a natural household solution for cleaning surfaces, refreshing fabrics, or creating a more balanced living environment. This isn't about pushing your body or forcing change. It's about giving your system the basic building blocks it's been missing so it can do what it's designed to do: maintain balance, adapt, and thrive. Simple to use, highly concentrated, and deeply supportive, daylight fits easily into daily life while working quietly behind the scenes where it matters most. If you're looking for a practical way to support energy, balance, and whole body resilience, starting at the cellular level, daylight is a smart place to begin. Try it now. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.